Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to earn using ModeEarnApp. You can find it on Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, search ModeEarnApp. I'll put the name of the app in the video description on the description of this video. The first page is about music, whereby you are paid for listening to various types of music listed on their site, but that's not important for us at the moment. Let's go to boosters. Under boosters, this is where you get surveys to do. Also they have games, they have offers, they have surveys, they have installs and so many other options, and they have deals which you complete and get paid. Payout, videos, news. There are so many activities to do to get money. Also they have deals. As you know, these are the deals like which are found in any other survey app. For example, the deal you do here, if you complete it if you meet the guidelines of in a particular deal and within a particular time, your balance is added. So you can click here, recently added deals. You can see here they have very many deals, so just choose the one you think. Others are games, others sign up for many other things. Also there is this one deal here, like Drumo is a survey app, so if you complete it you get 2000 points. So that's it, but our main interest, redeeming. When it comes to redemption, you can redeem through various gift cards. You just choose the one which are relevant to you. There is MasterCard, and the minimum is 5 cents, 0.5 cents. There is 56 diamond. This is for gamers. There is also a MasterCard for $2, $4, $5. There is other options listed here. So when you come to redeem, just scroll down. There is PayPal. There are so many options. You see, PayPal there is for $10 and so many other options for $20. Just scroll down here to see even virtual MasterCard for $105. So when you want to redeem, just click redeem here. Now the main thing today, I wanted to show you guys how to do their surveys, how to access their surveys. So all these others are not important for us. What important for us is surveys. So you just come here and click boosters. Under boosters, there are various ways of earning. For games, they have an offer of 8 times. So any game you complete, if it's 2000 points, it's multiplied by 8 times. Any offer you complete is multiplied by 5 times, 5x. Any survey you do is completed by 5x. One thing about ModeEarnApp, they have very low cents or payment for surveys. For example, 1000 points is equivalent to 0.1 cents. So, but they offer frequent promotions like 8 times, 5 times, or sometimes 10 times, and that's when I come to work on them, because they notify you through your registered email. But when they don't have offers like this, under surveys here you see it's 5 times. When they don't have offers, their survey rewards does not motivate me to work on them. So you should work on them on weekends and during times of the weekday when they have various offers. So right now let's click on surveys. Under surveys you can see they have the normal surveys panel, common ones. They have InBrain. Any survey you complete on InBrain is multiplied by 5 times. CPX surveys, any survey you complete there is multiplied by 5 times. Bitrabs, 5 times. So just choose. I don't want to open the surveys right now, so just choose whichever suits you and you complete your survey payout and you are paid. For example, CPX, the 4000 point survey, if you multiply by 5 is 20,000 points, which is equivalent to around $2. So I only work on them when they have offers, but when they don't have offers, I work on other sites. So I tested them and they paid me, but they paid me after 3 days. Let me show you the payment proof. This is the payment proof. You see, I withdrew $5.76, and after 3 days it landed on October 13, 2022. So guys, that's it about this was a small update for an app called ModeEarnApp, and this is the payment proof. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep it rocked. If you like my content, kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.